inexpensive hole. They're being sued for $10 million from the neighbors.
Because they're put the permit through without checking with these people, and now it's going to be right butt up against their window, and these guys are going to have no view or no anything, so it's pretty bad. Pretty scary incline, eh?
Yeah, so close.
So hard, not either.
Please, about 15. Back.
Hello.
Hi. It's an accident waiting to happen.
Sure knows what he's doing though, eh?
I don't know about that. Oh, there you go.
That's better.
We're going over to my place to set up my bed.
Yes.
My bunk bed.
We are.
And, there's my place up there with the gay flag. The biggest gay flag. It's on the biggest flag.